and video recording starts. Red symbol is blinking here, so we see object, we make comment, and so video can be as long as you want. Video is recording in the maximum resolution, much higher than full HD. So your camera give you possibility, for example, 3 megapixels, 2048 up to 1536. So this is much more than full HD, and we recording this video without problem. Pay attention that during video or during real time looking of the sample, we see FPS speed. For now, my camera provides 50 FPS, so I can easily move the stage. I can check the object. I can see every detail in blood. For example, this one, leukocyte, basophilic leukocyte, granulocyte, and I can pay attention to the shape of the leaf blood cells. So I do qualitative analysis. When recording is enough, I click